morning students. Welcome to science class. Today we will start a new chapter, chapter 8, the circulatory system and the excretory system. In the previous chapter we read about the skeletal system and the nervous system. Can you say what these two are? These two are the organ systems. I have already explained you in the previous chapter what an organ system is. An organ system is a system present inside our body that performs a particular task with the help of other organs present inside our body. So, the circulatory system and the excretory system are the organ systems that perform a particular task with the help of other organs present inside our body. As mentioned earlier, there are 8 major organ systems present inside our body. In the previous chapter, we read about 2 organ systems, the skeletal system and the nervous system. In this chapter, we are going to study about 2 more organ systems, the circulatory system and the excretory system. At first, let's know what are the functions of these 2 organ systems. The circulatory system. What is the function of the circulatory system? All of you know the human body requires food, oxygen and water for proper growth of our body. Each part of our body needs to have sufficient amount of all these 3 things to grow properly and repair the damaged parts. So how will all these 3 things reach to each part of our body? So this task of reaching these 3 things to each part of our body is done by the circulatory system with the help of other organs present inside our body, about which we will study later in this chapter. Now, what is the function of the excretory system? Our body produces wastes inside our body, and we need to get rid of these wastes from our body, otherwise we will suffer from many health problems. So the removal of waste from the body is done by the excretory system. So understood the functions of the circulatory system and the excretory system. Now, all of you please turn to page number 69. As you can see, the chapter starts with an activity. There are 4 puzzles and you need to write the answer at first, and you have to match the answer with the diagram which has been drawn above. Number 1. You can hear me beat inside your chest. Who am I? Can you guess the answer? The answer will be heart. So write the answer and then match it with the diagram of the heart. Number 2. Doctors use me to listen to your heartbeat. What am I? Now can you guess? Yes, the answer will be stethoscope. Number 3. I am an organ of the excretory system. Who am I? The answer will be kidney. The last one is, I am red in color and flow throughout your body. What am I? I am red in color and I flow throughout your body. What will be the answer? The answer will be the blood. The blood is red in color and it flows throughout our body. So you have to do this activity with your pencil. Now, since all of you know each organ system can perform its task with the help of the other organs present inside our body, we will discuss about each of these 2 organ systems one by one. At first, we will discuss about the circulatory system. Now you have known the function of the circulatory system. Now how is it possible for the circulatory system to transport food, oxygen and water to each part of our body? It can be done it is done, this circulatory system performs this task taking help of the heart, blood and the blood vessels. So you can say the circulatory system performs its functions with the help of the heart, blood and blood vessels. That means the circulatory system has three parts: the heart, blood and blood vessels. We will discuss about each of these parts one by one in details in the next